mailbox is...
How are they not answering?
Para español, por favor, oprima el número 8. If you know your party's extension number, you may dial it at any time. For the service department, please press 1. For the sales department, let me help you.
Hi, I'm calling because I wanted to know how much it would be to get my windshield wipers replaced.
Okay, yeah, you can bring it in at 9. That's fine.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Bye.
Okay. Good morning, you guys. I'm so tired. It's currently 8:02 in the morning. What's today? Today's Tuesday. So today is gonna be my Tuesday reset. I'm resetting for the week because I worked, I think, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I didn't even have a chance to do anything. So yeah, today is gonna be my reset for the week, and my room is so messy. I've been meaning to clean it for the last week and a half. So I just got off the phone with Honda and I need to get my windshield wipers replaced. So I'm gonna go do that today at 9 a.m. So I need to get up now. I wanna take a shower, brush my teeth, wash my face, and just get ready for the day. But today I'm basically gonna be cleaning my entire room, and I'm going to clean out my car because there's so many wrappers in there from candy and stuff. And it's like whenever I'm working and things are like crazy, or I feel like I'm not getting enough time throughout the day to do anything because of work, like the mess builds up in my room. Not so much my car, because I clean my car frequently, but so far like my car has been very messy, and being that I'm filming today, I just figured I would save it for today and then get everything done that way. Okay guys, so I made it to the car. It says I'm gonna get there exactly at 9, and that's because I was running out the house, but there was a garbage truck blocking my parking spot, so I had to try to go around, and my parking lot is literally a one-way, so every other car was like in the way, so I was trying to like cut through going the opposite way to get out of the parking lot because I'm like, I have somewhere to be.
Rainbow face, they hope I fall off. Ain't no way. Blue Scotty got smoke to the face. Them boy get it in, them what they gon' hate. That little body Benz, I know what you pay. Heart getting cold, my body cold. Took a little egg, so one time told her pull up again, making a little pussy stretch. One-on-one, bitch, they 10. One-on-one, never again.
Not I sat here for no reason, because they don't even have the parts that I need. I don't even know what he was saying, but he said one is $47 and one is $57. What? What do you mean? I'm leaving. Hopefully they still wash my car. I don't know, but I'm not paying for that, and he said he has to order it. So I'm just like, I'll just do it myself at this point, because my mom was telling me I can just buy them from the store and replace them myself, but I didn't want to. So yeah, now I'm gonna just go clean out my car. Okay guys, I made it to the car wash place where I vacuum out my car, and we're about to get started, so I'm trying to hurry up. guys, I'm leaving the car wash now. My car just needed a little bath, for real. A bee almost attacked me while I was trying to pay for the car wash, and the man is like trying to swat it away from me because it was trying to fly into my window, and I was screaming, like, real crazy. I don't know where I'm on my way to. I just know that I'm so hungry. Gonna be putting together my best friend's birthday gift. You guys know Asantwa. You guys have seen her on my channel plenty of times. But her birthday is May 27th, and that is next Monday. And we're gonna be hanging out on Sunday. I have a 3-day weekend, and I'm so excited to be off of work. Like, I just can't wait. And I'm going on vacation in June to San Diego. I cannot wait to give her gift, because I don't know, like, I love gift giving, and I really do think that's one of my love languages, because I love putting together a present for somebody and like getting them something that I know they're gonna be excited about. Like, I don't know, and I just be so anxious to give it. Oh, please don't turn. I'd be so anxious to give them the gift. Like, the minute I buy it, it's like, I want you to know I bought you something. Like, I got you a gift. Like I was saying, I got her something, and I know it's gonna be something that she's gonna like. I had to do some digging on her Twitter, and I seen that she was like liking some Coach bags, and Coach bags have been in, like, everybody has been loving Coach, but the Coach pillow tabbies are so cute. But those were like, them bags is like $400. Like, okay. But I ordered her, I think it's called a Coach Nolita 19. It's like a little shoulder bag that you can turn into a wristlet. And then I ordered her a card holder from them. And it's coming in the mail today, so you guys are going to see it because I'm going to unbox it. And I forgot to get it ordered, like delivered to me gift wrapped, because that would have been easier, like if they just wrap it in a nice pretty package so I could give it to her. But since they didn't, I ordered a box from Amazon, and the box is too small. It's like this big. So I'm like, this is not gonna fit anything. Like, and I got her a birthday candle from Amazon. It's a candle that's like, has the wrapping on it, says happy birthday, and it's like the scent vanilla buttercream. It smells so good. I went to Marshall's, I got her a birthday card, and I got her a Calvin Klein robe, and it's like a light pink. The birthday card is like a light pink. It just, everything matches. It just looks so cute.
Hi, may I help you?
Hi, can I do an egg and cheese on a toasted croissant? Can I get that dark toasted?
Egg and cheese and dark toasted croissant?
Yes.
Anything else?
Can I do a small frozen coffee smoothie with French vanilla? Okay guys, so I'm inside of Stop and Shop right now because I came to look for like a gift bag in here or something. I don't even know. I was gonna go to Marshall's to see if they had it, but I don't really feel like going to Marshall's. I think this bag is really cute. It's really simple, and it comes with tissue paper, so that also saves me time of trying to like decorate the bag for real. I'm just hoping that everything fits in here, otherwise I would return it. I might just pull up to Target honestly and see what Target is talking about, because there's no way, like there's no way. I found this gift bag, which is really cute, and I guess this is supposed to be like champagne or like wine glasses. I don't know, maybe this one is better. It looks more classy, you know, it's giving classy. Okay guys, so I've been home for a minute now, and it's time for me to clean up, but I'm so freaking lazy that it's like I haven't started yet. Okay guys, so my stuff is in the washing machine and dryer. My duvet cover and my sheets are in the dryer right now, and I just put my 2 other blankets in the washing machine, and all my clothes are in the dryer. So I'm waiting for that to be done, and then I'm going to make up my bed. So yeah, I'm waiting for all my stuff to be done so I can bring it back to my room and fold everything and put it away. My room is pretty much like clean. Like all the stuff that was on the ground was literally clothes, and all the stuff on my couch, it was clothes, and all, like literally half of it went into the laundry, if not all of it. And then I need to just clean off my desk and my little chair, my couch chair thing that's by my mirror. And then I'm gonna clean off my nightstand and my mini fridge, and then I'll be done. I'm still waiting for this package to come in the mail, and I'm pretty hungry. It's 80 degrees out, you guys. Like, I can't believe how hot it is over here. It's 81 degrees, so it feels so good outside. Like, I just wanted to be outside all day today. Like, I wish I was at the beach or something, like relaxing. But it's better for me to get this done now so I could relax later. And I'm hungry. I don't know if I'm gonna go back out to get food or just order food, because, you know, I'm a lazy girl. I'm a lazy girly pop.
I'm probably gonna say.
I made a mess, G5 by the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. My money stretch from south to the west. Always the best, get home with a check. Get up on
My package finally came, and I'm about to open this up really quick. Don't mind the mess in the back. I still need to clean off my desk and this little couch chair, and this is my garbage stuff. So yeah, let me open this. Ew, the way this is breaking down as I'm ripping it, that looks so trifling. Ew. Alright, bye, I love you. This is everything. I have everything on the floor of what I got my friend, and I want to see this stuff, so like I want to open it. Is that bad? I could retape it back, but I wanted to film a TikTok. Okay, so I was able to actually fit this Coach bag inside of this box, which I'm very thankful for, because I thought that they were gonna give me like at least like, I don't know if there's is there a bag inside, like a dust bag? I don't think there's a dust bag inside. So let me put all the pieces back on. So I'm gonna put this inside of the gift box and go from there. And then I'm gonna add the card holder on top, and we're gonna close up the box. It's like a magnetic box kind of thing. So this looks so good. I'm so excited. Like, I'm gonna get her reaction like when I give it to her, because we're going out.
Put some dough on his head. Gave me that left the nut on the list. When this catch up like a motherfucking trend. Yeah, nigga fucked up tryna hide the drum on the stick on the side of switch. Call up a little pretty vibe. Pull up and let him massage the dick. All that you knew ride, we whipping and swerving all kind of shit. Whipping and running, my little niggas pulling a gun and they hit when they trying to hit. I started running, we shooting rats right in their stomachs and leave them inside of it. Ain't nothing funny when you got a bread on the onion, don't look like you frying the bread. Hit her on Sunday, she still wanna ask me for money, she gon' end up dying. Got me some hundreds and still gotta keep it 100, cause these niggas counterfeit. We had the longest sex, good pussy bitch off a bone to cracks. It's out the road to cracks, just like a real nigga bouncing it back. Make sure your nose ain't wet. He fell a bit, them addicted to crack. Come on my bitch, check out my neck. All in my business, little bitch, you relax. She done got way too attached. Notice they might cause they waist is a snack. Heard your little homie got wet. We take a life, you ain't taking one back. You going under attack. Let the whole world know the babies is back. Get your ass hit in the dash. Crippin' that back out 100 yard dash. Who stop me the mess? You pop at the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. I'm in the stretch, from south to the west. Where's the best? Get home with a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Gave me that left the nut on the leg. Run this catch up like a motherfucking trend. Yeah. Young no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Keep me my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick of thick herbs. Young I don't wanna, they working my nerves. I'm about to pour some serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back, grab a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in it big with P. Litty. QP. I love my bitches, this pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on the bed.